Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Jazz, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am. 100%.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
This is your first time working abroad, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you want to come here in Malaysia?
I want to come in Malaysia because for my future of my children and my family.
Why did you choose to come here? Why you didn't choose to go in Singapore, Hong Kong, or rather than maybe go in Middle East?
Malaysia is a safe for an OFW.
Okay, so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Good day, ma'am. My name is Rachel Jane E. Honorario. I'm 29 years old. I live in Canlaon City, Negros Oriental. I was born October 5, 1994. My religion is Roman Catholic. I am a married. I have a 4 kids. It is 7 years old, 5 years old, 7 years old, 5 years old, 1 years old. I have experienced the taking care of 68 years old bedridden group patient elderly. I change his diaper, wash him clothes, bath, meals, give them medicine. I also massage her feet and hands, transfer elderly to bed into his wheelchair. I am also experienced doing household like washing clothes, dishes, gardening, ironing, taking care of kids, and also I have experience to take care with kids with my own children. I describe myself as patient, trustworthy, and dedicated to my work. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so you mentioned that you take care an elderly, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I know how many years did you take care the elderly? What year did you started and what year did you finish?
I am starting to taking care of elderly year 2019 and finish the year 2024.
What month for this year that you take care the elderly?
June 18, 2024.
Okay, so you worked there for 5 years, correct? Is it female or um, male elderly that you take care?
Female mom,
Female. How old is the female?
68 years old.
68
Ma'am,
years old. So, while taking care of this elderly, you do house chores also at the same time, is it?
yes, ma'am.
You do cleaning,
Yes,
cooking, laundry, and ironing.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you mentioned also that when you take care an elderly, you also change her diaper. Is she a bedridden already?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you mentioned also that you work as a housemaid and take care children, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
You also do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing. How old is the children that you take care?
Um, 12 years old, 7, 5, and 1 year old.
So you worked there for 1 year.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in which place in the Philippines that you work?
In Giholngan City, Negros Oriental.
Okay. So being a first timer, you know that frequently homesickness will strike you anytime.
Yes, ma'am.
So how will you gonna handle it?
Explore my surroundings and be positive to myself.
But being a domestic helper is very tough, okay? You need to prepare yourself. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Okay, because you need to be multitasking, you need to be flexible in everything, okay? Because there is no such a thing that you will just do house chores only. You need to do like to take your children or elderly if your employer got children inside the house, or if your employer got like the mother, the father, which is already old folks. So, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you? Okay, absolutely. You can take care elderly, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person? I think you
Yes,
also
ma'am.
okay because you already get experience, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Um, no, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn.
Willing to learn. Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
sure? Are you not afraid of any dogs or any pets?
No, ma'am.
Okay, but before that, I would like to ask you what is your height and your weight?
My height is 5 and my weight is 52 kilograms.
What about your educational background?
Um, I'm finished high school graduate.
Okay, so your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia, right?
Yes. Yes,
So,
ma'am.
what is your husband occupation and how old is he?
My husband is occupation is a truck driver and he is 35 years old.
Okay, how many brother and how many sister do you have?
I have 4 brothers and 1 sister.
What is
Um,
your rank in your family?
ma'am,
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second?
I am the second mom.
Okay, what about your parents?
My parent is a work as a agent.
Agent.
Yes, ma'am.
How old is your mother and your father?
I don't know, ma'am, because I'm 1 year old. I don't know to my father.
Oh, okay, I see. It's okay, no worries. Okay, so please focus in the camera, Richelle. So, you must know that you have a 2 years contract. So, whatever might happen back to your family, like any uncertain situations, you must also be aware that you cannot easily go back home because you signed a 2 years contract. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You know what will be your consequences once you breach your contract, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time with the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
In usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone also for the whole day because you are working. But rather than you can hold it during nighttime, like 2 to 3 hours, to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course, on your rest day, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you will going to stay inside the employer's house and you cannot go out. You are not allowed to go out. You will rest only inside the employer's house. But if you will work on your rest day, of course, employer will compensate your salary. Do you agree?
Yes, I'm agree, ma'am.
So I just wanted to make it clarify to you before you reach here in Malaysia. I just want in our initial interview that you agree our terms and conditions. If you disagree, it's okay. We don't force people also to come here. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, yes. I don't want later that you say yes, yes after you reach here in Malaysia, so you demand already, you complain already, and you don't know about the rules and regulations. As long as I know in our initial interview, you already agree it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Sure, ah?
Sure, not sure.
Okay, so but of course you need to inform yourself also that you come here to work in Malaysia to sustain your family's needs. Here in abroad or in any other countries, we are not the boss. Okay, so we need to respect our employer, follow the rules and regulations because we are the one who are working inside their premises. Okay, always say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think that's all for now, Rachel. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents here in Malaysia will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.